Hello, this is a very quick unboxing video. This is for the ASRock B460M Steel Legend motherboard. I'll just flip it over so you can see the specs on it. It supports 10th gen Intel processors, LGA 1200. It's got the B460 chipset. Supports crossfire. Yeah, you can probably read that, hopefully. Let's get it opened up and see what we get. Looks like a birthday card, but it isn't. Oh look. Right, okay, so there's Velcro cable ties, driver's disc, an actual postcard with the space to put a stamp on. Wow, why do they do this? Some stickers, just say Steel Legend over it. There's sort of like cable labels as well, so you've got cable ties and labels. A sticker that says do not touch, do not disturb. So yep, and that's what you get inside the little pack there. You might have noticed that fall out. That's an M.2 screw, so I'm guessing the little riser bits for it are already mounted, so there's that as well. And that's, oh no, there's a M.2 riser there, so those two will go together there. There's a software setup guide, which is basically the BIOS manual, so it's nice to see a BIOS manual. The quick installation guide, wow, oh phew. It's multi-language, because if that was all in English, I don't see how that would be quick. But that's a multi-language quick install guide, which is why it's so thick. There's another M.2 riser. I'll do this bit here because that's oh, another riser. Oh, okay, so there's 3 risers, but there's only 1 screw for it, so that's interesting. There's that's the back plate, the I/O plate at the back. It's quite a nice one. It's got sort of padding on it, so that's quite a good quality one. Some SATA cables. One of those is right angled, so you get 2 in there. And let's lift this up and take it out. I'm a bit puzzled as to why they would give 3 risers but only 1 screw, so that's a bit of a weird one. That's everything out the box anyway, so I'm just going to tuck that away on the floor down here and we'll look at the board itself. So here's the actual motherboard, crinkly, crinkly, crinkly. Oh gosh, it's got cable ties holding the foam around it, and it's a proper foam sort of surround, so they haven't, you know, they haven't skimped on that. So I've got me clippers, so we'll cut the cable ties. Pull those off. You can reuse them if you cut them close to where they've gone through, but you know, we don't need to worry about that too much, do we? I'll just lift the motherboard out of that. So there's the board itself. You've got a very nice little metal heatsink on there, and there's an M.2 slot there which has got the riser in. So what are these? I mean, they are M.2 risers, but why would they give 3 risers but only 1 screw? Don't get that. I mean, unless I've missed something. That's the back of it. Nothing particularly exciting on the back of it. So it's actually quite a nice looking motherboard, and these are, that is an aluminium. These are all aluminium heat sinks. They're not like sort of decorative plastic. They look like I don't know if you can see, but you can see the foam. There's thermal pads on the VRMs, so they do. These heat sinks are actually meant to do something. And there's LEDs running around the side of there as well, which you can't see because obviously it's not turned on, but it says Steel Legend there, sort of semi-transparently, so I guess that illuminates when it's powered up. But yeah, so that's quite a smart little motherboard. Any questions, any comments, just stick them in the comments. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated, and as ever, thanks for watching.